Welcome to Getting Started with SpiLLIServer. With this video, we will show how you can become a host for AI models using Spin. Specifically, we will show you how to host open source Ollama models over the internet. To get started, we'll first head to the official Ollama website and download and install Ollama on your computer. You can find the official installer by heading to ollama.com and click on the download button. Once the download is complete, we can open up the installer and click through the installation process. Now that we have Ollama set up, we can open up a terminal and download some models to host. To find which models are available, we can check the models page on the Ollama website. To download models, we go to the terminal and use the Ollama pull command. Here, let's try and pull the Llama 3.2 model. We can choose the version of the model using the tags for the size of the model to download. If you are limited on resources, you can host smaller models. Let's try to host the 3 billion Llama 3.2 model. To do so, head to the terminal and type the Llama pull command. Ollama pull Llama 3.2. This will go ahead and download the model on your computer. Once the model has successfully downloaded, it is now ready to be served. Next, we install SpiLLIServer to host our models to peers across the internet. To do so, head to the SpiLLIServer download page and get your SpiLLIServer.pem encryption file. Then, copy and paste the pip install command for SpiLLIServer into the terminal. Here, I have already downloaded the encryption file, and we are ready to install the server. The pip install command will use the encryption file to securely download the latest version of SpiLLIServer. And that's it. Once we have SpiLLIServer installed, you can run an instance of the server by running SpiLLIServer from the terminal. This runs the server in the current terminal, and all the models that you pulled from Ollama will now be available to peers you are hosting for. To test a hosted model, just request and run queries on the model as shown in the SpiLLI Getting Started tutorial, linked in the description. To close the server, just press Ctrl+C. To run the server as a background process, we can run the SpiLLIServer setup service script. This takes your SpiLLIServer.pem file location as an argument. It also requires administrative privileges. Upon granting the privilege, it will install the server as a service that automatically restarts with your computer and runs in the background. It also copies the encryption file over to the location of the server so that it can be used. Well, there you have it. Congrats, you have SpiLLIServer up and running.